What if I told you a small, affordable bottle of oil hidden on a pharmacy shelf could transform your beauty routine, improve your health, and even spark heated debates online? Castor oil, often overlooked, is quietly becoming one of the most talked about natural products today. But why is everyone suddenly obsessed? And is the hype real? Castor oil isn't new. It's been around for centuries, used by ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Ayurvedic practitioners. Historically, it treated ailments from skin issues to digestive discomfort. But recently, it's made a comeback, popping up in surprising places, from TikTok beauty hacks to celebrity skincare routines. It seems this humble oil can do almost everything. But what's really behind its modern popularity? One of the most shocking reasons castor oil is making headlines is its beauty benefits. Fans swear it can transform eyelashes and eyebrows, making them thicker, darker, and stronger. Celebrities like Charlize Theron and Khloe Kardashian have praised its hydrating properties for youthful and radiant skin. Social media is buzzing with before and after stories, with countless influencers claiming castor oil took their skin from dull to flawless practically overnight. But does science actually back these glowing reviews? Beyond just skincare, castor oil is championed as a miracle solution for hair growth. You've probably seen viral videos showing dramatic hair transformations, with people insisting castor oil thickens hair, stimulates growth, and repairs damage. But here's where it gets interesting. Dermatologists are divided. Some studies suggest castor oil can indeed nourish the scalp and strengthen hair follicles, while skeptics argue the evidence isn't strong enough. Still, countless users swear by it, leaving the internet divided and intrigued. Castor oil's appeal isn't just cosmetic. It's widely known to aid digestion and, for decades, has been recommended as a natural laxative. More intriguingly, recent studies suggest it might relieve joint pain and inflammation. Health enthusiasts claim castor oil packs can ease arthritis pain and soothe muscle tension. However, recent controversies have surfaced around its internal use, with experts cautioning that misuse can lead to uncomfortable side effects. So, how safe is it really? With popularity comes misunderstanding, and castor oil isn't exempt. While it's mostly safe, misuse or excessive application can cause allergic reactions, skin irritation, or digestive issues. Some users have experienced redness, itching, or unexpected breakouts after using castor oil improperly. The internet is filled with stories from people who didn't understand the risks, highlighting how a natural remedy can quickly turn problematic if you're not careful. Social media's power can amplify facts, but it also fuels myths. Castor oil hasn't escaped exaggerated claims. Rumors online even suggest castor oil can cure serious illnesses or permanently reverse hair loss overnight, but experts quickly dismiss these as misinformation. Yet the myths persist, leaving users confused. Is castor oil a miracle or just another internet-driven exaggeration? Let's separate fact from fiction, clearly. Despite myths and controversies, thousands genuinely swear by castor oil's results. From visibly thicker brows in weeks to dramatic improvements in skin texture, personal testimonials continue pouring in. Sarah, a 28-year-old hairstylist, saw noticeable hair growth after consistent use, while Jake, dealing with chronic joint pain, found relief with castor oil packs. Their real, grounded stories provide valuable insights, offering a balance against exaggerated claims. Clearly, castor oil is versatile, powerful, yet surrounded by intrigue and debate. It offers real, exciting benefits only when used correctly. The key takeaway? Castor oil can indeed be a game changer, but it's crucial to stay informed and realistic. So before you rush to add castor oil to your routine, ask yourself, is this miracle oil the secret you've been missing or just another trendy hype?